What's up guys, Random Razor here with another tech video for you guys, and today we're going to check out the Ringke Fusion Clear Case for the iPhone XS and XS Max. So of course, without further ado, let's slice this open and check it out. Anyways, Ringke offers one of the cheapest cases I reviewed for the iPhone X. This case retails for less than $10 off of Amazon, and I've been reviewing the same model ever since they introduced it for the iPhone 6. Anyways, I have a couple of thank you cards here, some additional accessories they can get, and some instructions on removing the film that is on this case. So one thing I always liked about Ringke is that not just the price point, but the fact that for less than $10 you actually get a very good quality case. It's a very slim hybrid style case. You have TPU bezeled borders as well as a clear polycarbonate back shell. There is protective film to protect the clear plastic on the shell of this case, one on the inside here, which you can peel off, and another one on the outside of the case. And you can see here, this clear plastic is very clear once you remove all the film. Next, we'll grab my iPhone XS Max. You usually go button side first. A very easy case to install, and you're all set to go. Anyways, take a quick overview of this case and what it has to offer. Starting off with the top here, you do have an excellent amount of bezel protection with the clear TPU material wrapping around the entire border of the phone. On the sides, you have covers for the power button, volume rockers, and you still get a nice tactile feedback when you press on them, so they still feel like actual buttons. In addition, you have a cutout for the vibrate and ring switch, and on the bottom you have 3 individual cutouts for the stereo speakers, mic, and lightning port. And finally, on the back side of the case, the most highlighted feature is this all clear back, a cutout for the dual camera and flash. And you can see the indentations on the corners here where the TPU material meets the plastic material to provide better shock protection. In other words, the corners are slightly beefed up with TPU material and are designed to flex to absorb any energy impacts. Overall guys, really impressed with this case considering it is $10. Offers a super clear design, which you can see shows off the gold color of the iPhone as well as the Apple logo and everything in between. One thing I want to note is that there is this dotted texture design on the back of this case, which is really subtle, but basically, just like some other clear cases I reviewed, are designed to reduce any smudging between the glossy back of the iPhone and the clear plastic part of the case. One thing I like about Ringke cases is that they can give you full-size case protection, which is basically covering the back, sides, as well as a bit of the bezel here, in a very slim form factor. It's not as bulky as the Spec Presidio case I reviewed not that long ago. So it's a really great case for those of you who want something slimmer than the Otterbox Symmetry case or Spec's Presidio case, but still get all-around protection. In regards to scratch resistance, it doesn't feel like there's a polished finish on here or any coating on here to resist scratches, so I would imagine this case would scratch up pretty easily over time, but considering it's $10, all you have to do is just make sure you don't slide this across the table, and it should retain a newish look longer over time. In conclusion guys, if you're looking for a protective, affordable, and inexpensive case for your brand new iPhone XS or XS Max, you definitely can't go wrong with the Ringke Fusion Clear Case. Anyways, thanks for watching guys, hope you all enjoyed the video. If you have any questions or comments about this case, ask away in the comment section there down below. Hit that like button as always helps me out, and I'll see you all in the next video.